In this video, we will be demonstrating how to show, hide, and delete record revision history in Airtable. It may become valuable to you to no longer see the record revision history inside of your base. So what you can do is go up to our base history here and click on revision history here. So this option, this first toggle, is going to give you the ability to show or hide revision history inside of your records. So as soon as I do that, you'll see that the revision history has been disabled for all records in this base. That's fine. You can always turn it back on if you want to see that revision history again. As you can see, it's not deleted, it's just hidden. However, if you go back to that option and you click clear revision history, this is going to give you the option to completely delete the revision history. And this is permanent, so once you do this, you cannot go back. So make sure this is something that you want to have as a permanent effect to your base. And to do this, you're going to want to have creator or owner level permissions for your base. If you simply want to make it not visible when you, instead of deleting or kind of hiding all the revision history altogether from the top level, you can actually go into your record itself again and hide this pane. So at the top right here, you'll see this hide comments and revision history button. As soon as you click that, your activity feed will be hidden and you won't have to worry about that cluttering up your space. So that is how to show, hide, and delete revision history in Airtable. Stay tuned for the next video.